Understanding capital maintenance and profit is crucial for any business. Let's explore the two key concepts of capital maintenance. First, we have financial capital maintenance. This concept states that a profit is earned only if the financial value of net assets at the end of the period exceeds the value at the beginning, excluding any distributions to or contributions from owners. It can be measured in nominal monetary units or in units of constant purchasing power. Next, there's physical capital maintenance. According to this concept, a profit is earned only if the physical productive capacity, or the resources needed to achieve it, at the end of the period exceeds the capacity at the beginning, after excluding owner distributions and contributions. Both concepts are essential in understanding how a business can sustain its capital and achieve genuine profit. Embracing these principles helps ensure long-term financial health and operational stability.